Hey guys, welcome back to another cyber secure episode of Cyber Peace TV. My name is Ishban Yadav and today we are going to talk about data entry job scams. Whether you are an active job seeker or not, you might have come across hundreds of data entry job vacancies. Data entry jobs are entry-level positions that do not require any prior experience. It's simple to market the positions as a simple way to start working online and earning money. These posts are often very alluring because it lets you make money sitting at home. So many people are falling prey to these fraudulent offers that it has become one of the biggest scams in India right now. So let's discuss the different ways the scammers steal money from innocent people. Scams that ask for registration fee. In this type of scam, the scammer will ask you to pay a fee. They will claim that this fee is either to train you for the job or receive the equipment or a kit necessary to start the job. Once you pay this said amount of fee, you will most likely never hear from the scammer again. Scams with impossible tasks. Many of the job offers that you come across will be well paid, but the catch is that they will find to you impossible amounts of work or declare all your work incomplete or incorrect. The contracts signed between the company and the employee in such cases have clear clauses that the employee is liable to pay a certain fee if their work is not up to the mark. Since the tasks given are impossible, nobody is able to finish them and the company threatens to file a lawsuit unless the money is paid by you. Check scams. In such frauds, the scammer will ask you to make transactions on their behalf. The most commonly used method is using checks. The scammer will send you a check for a certain amount. You will be asked to transfer the same amount to another account in lieu of which the check was sent to you in the first place. This seems like a fairly safe thing to do, but victims send the money only to discover later that the check actually bounced. Number 4. Scams to steal your identity. Scammers can also attempt to steal your identity. They will do this by offering you a job and then requesting your driver's license or ID card in order to put you on the payroll. They could even ask for your bank account details if you want to make a direct deposit. Once this personal information is shared, your identity will be stolen and misused by the scammers. Now, here are some tips for spotting data entry scams. Scammers have spent a lot of time figuring out how to take advantage of job seekers, and being scammed is simpler than you actually think. Keep the following tips in mind whenever you are looking out for a data entry job. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably isn't. Data entry jobs on an average do not pay particularly well. So if someone claims buggy remuneration for 2-3 hours of work, then it's probably a scam. If you see a job listing that promises an extremely high salary, a very flexible schedule, or even both, be suspicious. Before applying for a job, do some research on the business. Check if they have a valid website and social media accounts. Unless you are confident that it is a legitimate company, please do not apply. Check reviews of the company that a former employee or victims may have posted. You can do this simply by searching for the company name followed by terms like analysis or scam. Take a look at the person in charge for recruiting. You should be able to find details on the recruiter by searching online. If you can't find any evidence of previous jobs or a current employer, please do not proceed ahead. Never ever pay money for a job. Many scammers would ask for money upfront, either to cover the cost of supplies, pay an administrative fee, or pay for even a test. It should not be necessary to pay money in order to obtain a valid job. If anyone asks for money, it's definitely a scam. Also, before you start working, make sure you are aware of the terms and do not sign a contract with terms that put you in a tight spot. Always trust your instincts. If something about a place seems wrong, do more research before responding to or contacting them. If in case you think that you have been duped or come across such fraudulent posts, please report it to authorities immediately. For more such information, you can log on to cyberpeace.org and you can reach out to us on WhatsApp via 957-000-0066. That's 957-000-0066. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Ishban Yadav. I will see you soon in another CyberPeace TV episode. Please do like, comment your thoughts, and of course subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, because we keep on bringing things that will increase your cybersecurity thought.